Common English idioms. Break the ice, meaning start a conversation in a social situation. At the meeting, he told a joke to break the ice. She smiled first to break the ice with strangers. They played a game to break the ice in class. I asked a simple question to break the ice. Piece of cake, meaning very easy. For her, speaking English is a piece of cake. The test was a piece of cake for him. That task is a piece of cake for me. Fixing this phone is a piece of cake for him. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick. He stayed home, he was under the weather. They missed work, they were under the weather. I am under the weather today with a cold. She looked under the weather in class. Hit the books, meaning study hard. I need to hit the books for my exam. She's hitting the books in the library. He hit the books after dinner. We hit the books before the test. Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. He calls me once in a blue moon. It rains here once in a blue moon. We meet once in a blue moon. I eat fast food once in a blue moon. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. That phone costs an arm and a leg. The car repair cost an arm and a leg. This watch costs an arm and a leg. Traveling abroad costs an arm and a leg. Spill the beans, meaning reveal a secret. Don't spill the beans about the surprise. He spilled the beans about the party. She accidentally spilled the beans. Who spilled the beans? Burn the midnight oil, meaning work or study late at night. They burned the midnight oil to finish work. He often burns the midnight oil. I burned the midnight oil for my exam. She is burning the midnight oil tonight. Let the cat out of the bag, meaning accidentally reveal a secret. He let the cat out of the bag by mistake. Don't let the cat out of the bag. He let the cat out of the bag about the gift. I think I let the cat out of the bag. Take it with a grain of salt, meaning don't fully believe something. That news seems fake. Take it with a grain of salt. I take online reviews with a grain of salt. She said it, but take it with a grain of salt. We take rumors with a grain of salt. Hit the nail on the head, meaning say exactly the right thing. She hit the nail on the head about the real problem. He hit the nail on the head in the discussion today. She hit the nail on the head in class. That comment hit the nail on the head. A blessing in disguise, meaning something bad that becomes good later. Losing that job was a blessing in disguise. The delay was a blessing in disguise. That failure was a blessing in disguise. It turned into a blessing in disguise. Add fuel to the fire, meaning make a bad situation worse. His words added fuel to the fire. Don't add fuel to the fire. That comment added fuel to the fire. She stayed quiet to avoid adding fuel to the fire. On cloud 9, meaning very happy. She is on cloud 9 today. He was on cloud 9 after the result. She was on cloud 9 after the concert. He's on cloud 9 about his new car. In hot water, meaning in trouble. He's in hot water with his boss for being late. If I don't clean my room, I'll be in hot water. I got in hot water with my teacher. You'll get in hot water if you break that rule. Kill two birds with one stone, meaning do two things with one action. Let's kill two birds with one stone. Biking to work kills two birds with one stone. I killed two birds with one stone today. We can easily kill two birds with one stone. Back to square one, meaning start again from the beginning. Our computer crashed, so it's back to square one. The recipe failed, and we are back to square one. If this plan fails, we're back to square one. The deal fell through, so we are back to square one. The ball is in your court, meaning it's your decision now. I sent the email, so the ball is in their court. I apologized, and now the ball is in her court. We made an offer. The ball is in your court now. The ball is in your court to pick the restaurant. Speak of the devil, meaning the person you were talking about appears. Speak of the devil, here comes Sarah now. We were just talking about you. Speak of the devil. Speak of the devil, I was just about to text you. Look who it is. Speak of the devil. Miss the boat, meaning miss an opportunity. The concert tickets sold out, so I missed the boat. You need to apply today or you'll miss the boat. I didn't buy the cheap flights, so I missed the boat. The sale ended yesterday and we missed the boat.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.